Kisan Sarthi 2.0 is being designed and developed with a vision to build an integrated ICT platform that provides seamless, multimedia, multi-channel support to farmers. The platform aims to connect farmers with subject matter experts from the National Agricultural Research, Education and Extension System. Kisan Sarthi empowers Indian farmers by providing expert advisories in agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry, and fisheries, along with best practices, government schemes, and alerts, accessible in local languages via text and multimedia. Integration with PM Kisan aims to connect with over 8 crore farmers, extending inclusive, tech-enabled support nationwide. Earlier, only registered farmers could contact KVKs directly. Now, with Kisan Sarthi 2.0, all calls, whether from registered or unregistered farmers, are routed through the Kisan Call Center. An API-based system ensures unified tracking across KCC and the platform. Kisan Sarthi 2.0 operates through a 3-tier call flow system. Level 1 Kisan Call Center, the first point of contact for all farmer queries. Level 2 Krishi Vigyan Kendra, where complex queries are escalated based on regional relevance. Level 3 ICAR research organizations and universities for advanced, research-backed guidance. FTS at KCC assist and escalate queries to appropriate KVK experts. Experts can provide solution through callbacks and, if needed, refer complex cases to ICAR scientists and university-level experts for deeper insights. Built on a microservices architecture, Kisan Sarthi ensures scalability, reliability, and integration with national platforms while supporting real-time updates and continuous improvements. Farmers may also visit their nearest Common Service Center (CSC) to register with nearest KVK, raise queries in assisted mode, and receive printed advisories in the form of a prescription. Using the Kisan Sarthi Farmer app, farmers can raise multimedia queries and receive expert responses in the form of images, videos, and audio. The app also offers additional features such as registration, profile updates, calling to KCC, and access to weather data via IMD, government schemes via My Scheme, and more. Using the Kisan Sarthi KVK Expert app, experts can register farmers, manage queries, draft advisories, access Krishi Kosh content, and reschedule calls, streamlining the advisory process anytime and anywhere. Through Bhashini, farmers can submit their queries via voice or text in 13 regional languages. Experts can customize advisories for local delivery using web or mobile app, enhancing the accessibility, clarity, and relevance. The Kisan Sarthi Kosh Agriculture Advisory Management System empowers ICAR and university scientists to create vetted advisories across various domains. Approved content becomes accessible to KVK experts, who can customize it for local contexts and deliver it in regional language. In near future, Kisan Sarthi 2.0 will integrate with AgriStack, ENAM, PM Fasal Bima Yojana, and other national platforms, enhancing functionality, reach, and impact for India's farmers.